Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this completed 4-room flat in Dover, Crescent. Okay, so my client has already moved in for about 2 months. So today I'm going to show you the completed project. Okay, so stay tuned and let's go. So over here will be the main entrance. Once you enter to the unit itself, okay, on the left will be a cabinet. Okay, so this cabinet is a very discreet cabinet because there's no handles. Okay, everything is the tip-on door, or we call the tic-tac door. Okay, existingly there is this DB. You can see that this DB is not hidden inside a DB compartment. Okay, so I just had to do up a very slim cabinet to hide the DB. It's a full panel door. Okay, I just don't want to have too many doors over here. So followed by a shoe cabinet. So this shoe cabinet is also the tic-tac type. Okay, there's a lot of storage here. Okay, my client has opted to put data system here. Okay, so of course you need to cater for the ventilation. At the far end here is just a small niche for him to put his wallets and whatnot. Okay, some more storage top and bottom. So you can see that there's a drop ceiling here. Okay, there's a low drop ceiling here. Everything has been painted dark. That's to blend in the entire color scheme. Okay, after this shoe cabinet, right, it joins to a panel. Okay, this panel also has a sliding door to the kitchen. Okay, so it's a soft closing or soft opening sliding door. Okay, so to close it, just have to. So it's a soft closing and soft opening sliding door. Okay, importantly, you need to have a glass panel so to see who's coming in and out. Right, it can be a fluted glass as well, as long as you see some shadow moving. Okay, or some shadow movement at the back, someone is going to exit from the kitchen. Okay, so you'll be more careful. Okay, so on the left of the, or from the back of this cabinet, right, it's actually back to back, will be the fridge. And over here, you can see that it's all full heights. Okay, there's an oven here. It's not a built-in, okay, but it's looks very neat. Okay, and some slot to put in other stuff. Lots of storage at the sides as well. Okay, at the side here it's not a storage because there's a wall here, right, just behind. So I just box it up using lamination, so they all kind of blend in nicely. Okay, there's a wall mount cabinet on top here and a base cabinet. Okay, this is an induction hob. Let's turn on the light. Okay, so induction hob, straightforward. Hood, okay, and then under mount basin, okay, in matte dark steel, stainless steel. Okay, the wall or the backsplash wall have got this very nice textured green. Okay, so these are all porcelain tiles, they are not marble. Okay, and over here there is a built-in dish washer. Okay, 2-tier. Okay, so at the back here will be the service yard, so I will not step out there. Okay, let's go back to the living area. So initially this was the living and the dining. Okay, but because the space is so constrained, so I propose to make this into just the dining. That allows my client to buy a huge dining table. Okay, and over there there's a feature wall for them to enjoy some TV watching. There's some storage cabinet that he bought off the shelf. Okay, so where's the living room? Okay, the living room has been shifted over to this side here, which was a common bedroom previously. Okay, so I convert that into a living room. So that makes the living and dining very huge. And this TV console kind of like link the living with the dining area. Okay, and over here there's a bomb shelter door. and a common bathroom door or common bathroom entrance. Okay, so I've sealed them up with a drop ceiling. Okay, this drop ceiling also hides aircon unit. Okay, so some of you might ask me how to install or how to service the aircon unit like that. Okay, so if the technician is able to install the aircon unit after the false ceiling have been done, then there's no reason why they can't service the aircon. Okay, when the false ceiling have been done, they can easily access the panel here, but of course you have to make sure that you leave some space, okay, so that the flap can go up and do the servicing. So this part here will be the first panel, the door to the storeroom, okay, or the bomb shelter. Okay, it's also a tic-tac door. Okay, this is just a flat panel, nothing. Okay, another one will be the bathroom, common bathroom door. Okay, common bathroom and the master bathroom have also been integrated into one. Okay, from my previous video, I showed that the wall was hacked. Right, this wall was hacked, and the vanity was shifted over there. Okay, so the WC remains here, shower. Okay, and okay, if you look on top, right, there's this piping box up. Okay, I remove all the mesh or the plastic mesh, and I just flush them everything neat and nice. Okay, the box up still have to be there because of all the piping, but I think you can make it nicer. Just flush everything, and that's going to be the vanity. Okay, 2 basins. Okay, very comfortable. Right, lots of storage on top. Okay, over here there's also some piping. Okay, over here was added by me. Okay, because I just want the consistent flow, and at the same time I could just install one downlight shining down. So I thought this was a good idea to have. Okay, so all the pipings are hidden inside here, and make sure that you cater space to flush the false ceiling and the tile. Okay, they have to be flush. Okay, so you got to think of that whenever you lower a ceiling or when you do the wall tiles, you got to inform your guys that you want them to be flush. Okay, that's very important. Okay, and then there's one more entrance or exit to the master bathroom. So there are 2 doors. Okay, one here and one here. Okay, so at the living area, it's very cozy. There's a lot of cove lighting. This one is a cove lighting that shines up, reflect the light down, make the place very cozy, and it continues above the feature wall of the TV. Okay, on top there's some lamination, bit of texture. Okay, that's the reason why I chose that, because of the texture. And then with the light shining up, you can actually see the texture of the laminate. Okay, over here is another laminate. Okay, but slightly different tone, different texture. Okay, but they blend in very well with the wood laminate that I proposed throughout. Okay, there's some storage here. Okay, the flooring wise will be a vinyl overlay. Okay, so this vinyl is from Korea. Okay, if you want to know more, you can always leave a comment down below. Okay, so at this panel here, behind the sofa, there's this full paneling. So this full paneling, there are 2 doors. Okay, one towards the common bedroom, the other one towards the master bedroom. Okay, let's step into the common bedroom. Okay, so at the common bedroom, there's some reconfiguration of the space, because there's this Murphy bed that can pull down. Okay, this is bought off the shelf. Okay, over at the window ledge here, you can see that there's actually a low, like a bay window here. Okay, but it's too high to sit on, so I made this into like a writing table or a study desk. Okay, so what I did was to have one tier, a higher tier, which is high, and then it drops out to a height of a study table. So then you can put your keyboard and laptop over here. So over at this side here will be a full height wardrobe, okay, with some protruding handle for grip. Let's proceed to the master bedroom. Okay, let's proceed to the master bedroom. Okay, so master bedroom is also a flush fitted door. So if you look at the profile of the flush fitted door, it has got this additional aging. Actually, it's more for privacy, okay, because once this closes onto the frame here, okay, you can't really peek through or see through, so there won't be any gap. Okay, so it's very important. Both sides also, the back of the door also, okay, so there's also one more somewhere here. Okay, so just have to let your carpenter know that these are very important detail. So once you step into the master bedroom, there's a study. There's a suspended study table with some drawers, okay, some storage on top, okay, and at the bedside here, the bed was purchased by my client. I added two side table, 1, 2, but this side table goes into the niche here inside the wardrobe. Initially there was this recess area here, so everything has been flushed neat and nice. So same thing, right, for the wardrobe, there's this protrude handle can install for easy opening. Okay, if you realize the entire wall, okay, there's this carpentry feature wall that goes all the way. Okay, this is the aircon compressor window. Okay, so just do a simple Venetian blind. The reason why the entire wall have been treated with feature wall like that is because my client is doing a Zoom, so he wanted a nice background for his Zoom meeting. Okay, so that's important for him. So over here there's a entrance to the bathroom, as mentioned just now. Okay, so there's two entrance or doors. Okay, and once it closes, it's got this soft closing effect. Okay, so these are the pivot hinges, okay, that you can get off from most hardware shop. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of the Interior Design with Rae. So stay tuned and continue to watch my other videos. Okay, there's a home tour of this apartment coming up soon, so stay tuned and see you soon in my future videos.